Welcome, I am OIC. Well, I've been monitoring this token Hamster Ham in the past 2 weeks now, and today this token is trading with a profit of 2.60% increase in the past 24 hours. And not just that, this token still have 8 zeros at the time of recording this video. That simply means this token can give us an opportunity to make good return on investment. And not just that, this token is not like other tokens that are ranked top 5,000 or 4,000. This token is actually ranked below 1,000. You can see it here. It's ranked number 967 token according to coin market cap. Then according to CoinGecko, this token have gained over 95,000% increase in the past 7 months. Okay, now let's take a look at what if you decide to invest $45 on this token. $45 investment on the token will actually give you about 10 billion token of ham. Okay, 10 billion token is quite a lot of token. Now imagine this token start trading at maybe at the same price with the current price of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu currently is trading with 4 zeros, and let's assume this token start trading with 4 zeros. That simply means we would make a lot of profit from our investments. Okay, not just that, when you go to their Twitter, actually this token have really impressed me because they have over 98,700 Twitter followers, and on the Instagram they have over close to 30,000 Instagram followers. Now this token Hamster, let's assume this token is currently trading with 8 zeros. If this token eventually lose 2 zeros and start trading with 6 zeros, a $45 investment might be worth over $4,000. Okay, now if this token eventually lose 3 zeros, $45 investment might be worth over $44,000. And if the token eventually lose 4 zeros, then $45 investment might be worth over $430,000. But remember, this video is not a financial advice, so kindly do your own research before making any decision. Okay, and remember not to invest money you cannot afford to lose. Back to Hamster. Now this token actually in the past 24 hours have really impressed me. They are doing great, and they are actually gaining. And not just that, we hope in the next few months to come, this token that is ranked number 967 should be able to rank below top 500. And when that happens, we expect a good return on investment. So please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button, because what we do, we talk about crypto trading, crypto prediction, and we discover new coins.